Hey everyone and welcome! Today we're making classic grilled prawns.
These prawns are fresh and juicy, perfect for any occasion.
First things first, we'll start with our fresh prawn.
It's a quick process, just a few clean cuts. Prepare the marinade. In a bowl, add a generous splash of olive oil, followed by minced garlic, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and a sprinkle of chili flakes. Stir everything slowly to combine all those amazing flavours. Hot grill pan. Wait a few minutes and watch for that delicious sizzle and a light smoke to appear. Keep an eye out for those beautiful golden grill marks. As the prawns cook, brush them with a mixture of melted butter and fresh herbs. Watch the magic happen. That's the perfect finish. Add some lemon wedges, fresh herbs, and a final dash of oregano. And there you have it, classic grilled prawns. The complete recipe will be in the description below. I would love to know how you added your garnish to make a delicious grilled prawn dish.